What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, back at it again with a new product from Precision Billet. This is the new horn cover that they send me, carbon fiber in the middle, all chrome on the side. Fantastic product. I love their work. The only problem is that they do take a little long, but it's all well worth it. I waited about 8 weeks for this. It's all custom made. This is their product right there. New horn cover from Precision Billet. They're very nice people. The lady I always talk to is Kathy. Thank you, Kathy, for the order, and thank you for sending me out this thing. It's gonna go right there. It's gonna replace it. And then that will match the set for the floorboards, the shift peg, the back floorboards, and also love that Barber CVO 19. I gotta clean it up a little bit, but yeah, it will be right there, and we'll install it in a few minutes right now. All right, as you can see, this is a very simple process. All you gotta do is turn that thing. See that? Comes off. All you gotta do is unplug that right there and then reconnect it. Actually, no, you don't have to disconnect that. You gotta take out the bolts in the back, and then that will horn cover come off. Okay, so what I did was I released the middle screw right there. You see how it's kind of loose already? And that will take off the horn instantly, and then just recover the horn cover. Okay, wait a minute. Just found out when I opened the new horn cover, this thing actually has its own horn cover, or its own horn. So very easy now. So you have to actually just disconnect the two cables and just connect them right into these. All right. I didn't know this actually came with its own horn. So what it's gonna look like, right there. All right. So all we gotta do is just take those two things out and put them on here. Okay, so the negative and positive on each side is actually the little red button right here. Shows you that that's the red one, and this for black. Always test out the horn before you screw it back on. Okay, now we're just gonna put it on and ready to go. I'm probably gonna be selling this cover from my CVO. Chrome comes with the horn as well. We'll see. Probably half of what it costs on Harley. I'll sell it for half price. Okay, so this screw right here gets used by an Allen key. This is actually the screw. I didn't even know that. So what it does is you insert it in there and just start turning away. There you go. All right. It's a little loose. I just want to show you guys how it's gonna look. Bam. Let me fix it a little bit more to the left. All right. So there you have it, guys. Precision Billet, full set from the floorboards to the shifter, all the way to the horn cover. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful look to it. Matching carbon fiber. Love it. All right, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and we'll go from there. Short video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Till the next one. Peace.